everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited because look what finally arrived. This here is the Allure beauty box. This is a $25 a month beauty subscription. You get 6 products and 3 are guaranteed to be full size. This box usually arrives really early in the month for me, but this one arrived on the 14th, which is really late, but not as late as my Ipsy Icon box. So with this subscription, every now and again, you get to select either the shade of something or a specific product. This month is no different. We got to select the shade of a specific product. I will let you know what that product is once I get to it. All right, the rest of the products, I do not know what came in this box because I did not watch any spoilers. All right, first item, we have something from Ava NYC. This is a Lift Off Volume Mask, and it says it thickens and softens. I have short hair that I get cut quite frequently, so I'm never really thrilled with hair care, but leave me a comment and let me know if you would enjoy such a product. All right, next item. Ooh, did I just see the Fenty? Yes, Fenty. What is this? At first, it looks like it could be a mascara or a lip product. All right, don't know. And there's no words on the side of the box. What? Is this a perfume? I didn't know Fenty made perfume. Hold on, I'm gonna be my little friend here. It just says Fenty Eau de Parfum. Oh, of course. Do you want to know how many times I film and I'm not wearing any perfume? But today I sprayed some perfume on. Yeah, okay. Ooh, we have the booklet, so let me just spray that. I don't know. It smells a little fruity, but always when I spray a piece of paper, it just kind of alters it. Let's actually stop speculating and see what the little booklet has to say. It says that this kind of fragrance is the kind you want to cozy up. In the winter, it has a blend of warm musk and rose with a touch of wintry tangerine. Okay, so I was definitely picking up on the tangerine, something fruity. I don't like rose, and I wasn't really picking up on rose. All right, let's move on to the next product, which is very tiny. This here is from a brand called ERBORIAN, and it's skin therapy something. I have a feeling this video is going to be me grabbing the booklet a lot. Although I don't like doing that because then I get spoilers, because I like being surprised. Okay, here we go. ERBORIAN Skin Therapy Multi-Perfecting Night Oil Serum. All right, is this full size? 30 ml. Which retails for $59. Watch. Okay. I was like, if this was the full size, I was going to have a little meltdown there. No, this is a 10 ml, so it's a sample. Okay, I'm not a huge fan of face oils. Don't ask me why. It's just maybe my lazy girl. I don't know. All right, next product. What do we have? This is from a brand called MICHE or MICHE. Very tiny writing. Yeah, I think even if you were young or had young eyes, you wouldn't be able to read what was on the side of that packaging. All right, so this is a set gel to foam styling mousse. Full size retails for $23 for 7.5 ounces. This here is a 2-ounce sample. What's with all the hair care, Allure? All right, next product. Gonna be makeup. Ooh, yes. Okay, this is the one where I got to select my shade. So this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the Brow Definer Triangular Brow Pencil. And I selected it in Taupe, which should be obvious because I think it's the lightest shade it comes in, and I'm blondish. But guess what? I normally don't do my brows, but I think I need to start doing my brows. All the times I was in denial, like, no, my brows look fine, I don't need to do them. I think now is the time. Not literally now, but just starting. All right, so it comes with a spoolie on one end, and yep, It has a triangle. Do I want to start it? No, I'm going to save that for the try on video, which once I get my icon box will happen then. Oh, more makeup. This is from KYLIE, which is, yeah, Kylie Jenner. What are you? Do I even want to try? It's probably going to be a lip product because I think she's known for lip products. Let's just see if we can't guess. Ooh. Please be a lip product because everyone else is going to hate this shade, but this is the shade that's right up my alley. Yes, I believe it's a lip product. Let me just make sure it's not a liquid eyeshadow before I shove it on my lips. Okay, so we have a matte liquid lipstick in Khlo $. This retails for $21 and it is full size. Even though I love lip products, I don't know if I've ever mentioned, I'm not a fan of liquid lipsticks because they tend to dry out, but ooh, she's orange. But of all the days to have an orange lip matching my eye look, and I won't be able to speak to whether or not it's dry because I'm wearing like 3 layers of lip gloss. So we will dive deeper in the actual try-on video. All right, this next product I hope is full size because everything else seems to have been sample. This here is from OBAGI and it's a Kinetin hydrating cream. What is with all these weird products where I gotta look in the book because it isn't like bam in your face, you know exactly what it is. All right, here we go. This is, I assume, just a moisturizer. It says why you'll love it. You may not have heard of Kinetin yet, but it's a plant growth factor that can help moisturize and improve skin tone. Here it is paired with another all-star brightener, ascorbic acid, the pure form of vitamin C. Oh. Beloved by dermatologists and its ability to make skin smoother and more radiant. Yes, please. Wow, this retails for $62 and you get 50 ml. Let me just confirm this is 50 ml. Yes, it is. All right, now I'm curious with the third full size. So full size. Oh. And the brow. Okay, let's recap everything I got in the November 2024 Allure Beauty Box. I got a night oil serum from ERBORIAN Skin Therapy, the MICHE Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse, the Lift Off Volume Mask from Ava NYC, the Fenty Fragrance Fenty Eau de Parfum, the OBAGI Kinetin Hydrating Cream, a matte liquid lipstick from KYLIE Cosmetics, and the Brow Definer from ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I don't know how I feel about this box. We actually got 2 makeup products, which for Allure, that's amazing. I'm just really not into liquid lipsticks. And I really don't do my brows, although I need to start doing that. I got 2 hair care products and just, you know, short hair. I'm just not one to do much with my hair. I'm very curious to find out what this smells like. I just already doused myself literally like 30 minutes ago with a bunch of perfume. So I will float something on screen to let you know if I really enjoy this. So far it smells good. It's just, until it's on your skin, you don't really know if you're gonna like it. I'm not a huge fan of face oils, but maybe I'll give that a try. I am a fan of products that help with discoloration, so that's a good one. I'm gonna list the MSRP total value. Allure always gives a really good value for a $25 box. I'm gonna guess this box, well, with a perfume, it's gonna be at least $130, if not higher. But value really comes down to, are you happy with the products you got and will you use them? And I would say, even though to me I was a little, I at least got $25 worth of value. I would say this $62 product alone paid for the box. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of the items in this month's box? Let me know, do you actually subscribe to Allure? Or have you been thinking about it? If so, I have a friend referral code down in my description. Don't feel obligated to use it, but if you're going to pick up the subscription, use somebody's code so you can save yourself some money. And let me know if you've tried any of these products, particularly the brow product from Anastasia or this lip product from KYLIE. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.